Hi, my name is Radhika Chauhan and I am a healthcare consultant. For any kind of a job which is not something which you can do on your own, there comes the real challenge. So yes, I had a very nice time with AMU Design Studios. I think it was perfectly coordinated, everything under one roof, available for suggestions, available for meetings. So this is something I was really looking forward to, and I'm happy that I chose them for my house, and I think it has been a great experience with them. One of the favorite parts of my house is my walk-in closet. I had a very big dream of having my own walk-in closet where all my clothes will be. So I have my own vanity and I have my own space, and nobody interferes into that space. So yes, that's my best part of the house. मेरा घर मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. बहुत cozy spaces है मेरे घर में. One of my favorite being my son's room. Of course, my walk-in closet. The entire house has come into shape because we had a detailed discussion with the team, and our thoughts were taken into consideration, and whatever we wanted was executed exactly the same way. So I think the entire house has come up well, and I'm very happy that the color palette and the spaces that we chose, and the way we've utilized them, the team has utilized the spaces, the bar especially, because it's a multitasking thing for us. It is also a bar and it's also a crockery unit for us, so we utilized that space. Of course, my living room and my dining space, specifically it was a corner suggested by the team, so we utilized that corner, and I think everything has been utilized in a very appropriate manner. When I look into your eyes, हमारा पूजा घर जो है वो एक प्योर इंस्पिरेशन है. Whole credit goes to my husband Jiten. Jiten is very specific of what to keep in the mandir, how the mandir needs to look. तो मुझे याद है that there was a conversation between me and Rohit on selecting a wallpaper for our mandir, and just randomly I had sent a few wallpapers to my husband Jiten, and he said मुझे यही wallpaper चाहिए. So we have a कामधेनु गाय और उसका baby in the wallpaper. So it was very difficult for Rohit and his team to find out that particular wallpaper and get that for us. But I really thank him for that, because he really put a lot of hard work in this. It was very difficult for me and my husband, Jiten, to shortlist a few companies or design studios who could design a house or a home that we wanted for. So when I first saw AMU design page on Insta and I scrolled through it, the difference that I saw was that they never used the same designs again. So I think that way Rohit has done a good job, and I think he's pretty well experienced when it comes to suggesting new things to his clients. Every time we meet, he suggests us new things, how to utilize our spaces, new colors, that ma'am, why don't you try this, it is really going to look very good in the house. He is someone who is ready to take a risk, and he also compensates for it if the client doesn't like it. So this is the best part about him and his team and his company. So I think it was very difficult to narrow down on him, but I think it was the ultimate choice. Heaven can wait.